Hey y'all, this morning we're doing a little family fun farm day. The kids don't think it's that fun, but it gets them out here and we're all working on projects. It's a Saturday, beautiful weather. We've got to get some stuff done, and some of those projects include new fencing. We've got a decorative fence going up in one corner that might be our Nigerian dwarf goat corner. We've got cattle panels going across the back property line, and all this is going to help us in an effort to release our chickens. We have yet to free range our chickens because of dogs, and some of those dogs have been spooked off from Juliet, which is our Great Pyrenees, but there's a couple that still come around. And now that we've added a Pyrenees portal to the sheep barn where she can come and go out of the sheep pasture as she pleases. So she kind of patrols the whole perimeter. But anyways, in an effort to keep all animals out, we're doing fencing. So let me show you what's going on. Yesterday, we took out all the barbed wire. This is one corner of our property. And all the way down where you see the fresh dirt kind of spread around with the tractor. So all the way down there past the boys will be a privacy fence, but it'll be 8 feet tall. So the bottom section is going to be actually decorative metal. So we've got Kason and Keegan over here helping me with the fence, and here we're going to finish taking down these beds, dismantling them, getting all the cages put up, and organized for next year. We got Kayla and Jarrett over here doing that. Jarrett, you like helping in the garden?
Okay.
Jarrett likes helping in the garden. Next week it's supposed to get down in the 50s at night. We actually still have a ton of bell peppers. They just keep going and going and going. So this is the end of our garden for this year. We've already tore up several beds right here. Pushed all the dirt up, and Kayla planted some fodder. It's actually just some oats, and we were going to start, just kind of feeding that to some of the animals. Just didn't want to waste the dirt since we weren't planting anything for the time being. Over here we got Jaden and Jackson working on these fence panels. Say what's up, boys. They are the least excited about being out here working, but these fence panels go around the back side of the coop, and so right back there is where we're putting a lot of the cattle panels all the way down the property line, and we need to get the fence panels out of the way. Y'all see what I see? Future greenhouse. That's right. We got to get the fencing done first, though. I'd love to share that project with y'all, but not yet. Every time I press record, Gizmo or Rooster decides to make a bunch of noise. Y'all see that? That is the beginning of our high tunnel. And that's why we're not focusing too much on the garden, because a lot of it eventually is going to be under the high tunnel. So we'll have a high tunnel right here, greenhouse. I'll give you the full tour one day. Well, got a lot of the fence line done. Corner posts out. Got the string laid out. Got the garden, the last 4 garden beds that haven't been taken up. We got them cleaned out, ready to plant some winter veggies. And like I said, this isn't the normal size, but this is all we got to work with right now until we get everything else built. The boys got all the fence panels taken apart, leaned up against the chicken coop, so I can continue to clean this fence line for the cattle panel. Hey y'all, it got late and it got dark. I'm about to go inside. I forgot to do an exit clip, so don't forget to subscribe and like and share, watch some of our other videos. Every bit helps. And thank you for joining our family on our farm. I'll see you next time.